my name is Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, and today I want to talk to you about this middle finger and why it's the reason I went viral on TikTok and the reason I started selling my artwork. This is kind of a fun story, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, first of all, to tell the story, I need to set the stage. It's March of 2020, right before the world shut down for the pandemic, and I had been selling my artwork on Instagram for a couple years, but only a couple pieces a year, nothing like super crazy. I hadn't found my style yet, and I hadn't really found my voice as an artist. And so the world shut down because of the pandemic, and I thought, all right, this is great. I'm gonna take this time, I'm gonna really draw and focus and try and figure out my art style. So I started drawing every day. I was trying all of these different art styles, digital, paper, whatever, and I just felt so stuck. But I wanted to figure it out, so I kept with it. I started out by really focusing on sharing more artwork on social media. So I posted a few things on Facebook and Instagram. There were a few bad words in my artwork. I also posted a couple nude portraits that I had done. There was nothing wrong with it, but I got a phone call from my mom and she said, hey, I don't want you to post this stuff on Facebook. There's some, bad words and this naked people. I don't really want to see that on Facebook. Can you just not? And I was really frustrated. Me as an artist, I wanted to be able to share what I had created. And so what did I do? I turned to TikTok. No reason really, because I had maybe 10 followers on TikTok at this time, but whatever. So I had just gotten this really cool glass pen that I had heard about on TikTok. And I set up my phone. I gotta show you how I did this. I had a paper towel roll sitting in front of me and I set my phone on it right here. And then I had my paper here, I taped it, and I'm drawing, trying to record myself drawing this video so I had a good view for my TikTok. I really had no idea what I was doing. I hadn't really done much with TikTok, but I'll insert the video here so you can watch it.
Hey artists, I'm here to tell you to stop caring what other people think about your artwork, okay? Some people aren't gonna like your artwork and that's fine. So stop listening to the people who tell you that your artwork's ugly. Stop listening to people who tell you that it's bad or that it's inappropriate, okay? Create what you want to create because your artwork is unique. It's beautiful. It's unique to you. If you want to create a middle finger like I am here, go for it. Make one. Why not? Post it out there. Show it to the world. Someone's going to love it. Someone's going to think it's beautiful and it's cool and they're going to get inspired by it. And that's all you want to do, right?
And the video went semi-viral, nothing super crazy, but it got, I think 30,000 views or something. And people were commenting this is so inspirational. I want to buy this middle finger. I want to hang it in my studio to remind me of the same thing, not to care what other people think about my artwork and just to pursue my dreams and goals. And I had been wanting to sell my artwork on a larger scale for a long time, but I just didn't know how to go about doing it. So I took this as an opportunity. I started an online store. I looked into how to make prints of my artwork, and I settled on using a drop shipper called Printful. And basically what I did was I uploaded the picture of the middle finger, and people could buy it from my website, and Printful would print it and ship it for me, and I would get the money deposited into my account. And I thought, this is pretty awesome. And that first month, I sold 20 prints of this middle finger. And so I had $200. So I was like, okay, this is kind of cool. And I decided to continue on with the TikTok thing. I was trying to figure out other relatable content that I could post, things that I had struggled with as an artist. My earring just fell out. Okay, sorry about that. Looks like we're just gonna roll with one earring for the rest of the video because back fell off and I can't find it. And so we're just gonna keep going. Where was I? Oh yeah, I was trying to think of what other relatable content I could post on TikTok. And I posted this video and the voiceover went something like this. Everybody has that one thing that they draw all the time. A lot of people, it's eyes. For me, it's a scribble lady. And I'll insert that video here too so you can see that.
I feel like every artist has that one thing that they draw all the time. When they don't know what to draw, but they really want to doodle, this is just their go-to thing that they draw. And for me, it used to be an eye. And then I realized I hated drawing eyes. And then one day this was born. And ever since, I've just been drawing this. I've probably drawn this over 50 times in so many different places. And the beautiful part about it is that it changes every time I draw it. And sometimes I hate it. Sometimes it's so terrible. I get discouraged and think, well, I'm never going to draw that again. But then the next time I draw it, it turns out beautiful and better than the first time. And it's always changing. It's always new. And it's just a good way to improve upon, something that you love. Practice makes perfect.
And this video also went viral, and people were commenting and asking if they could buy prints of that. And I was like, yeah, of course. I already got an online store, so I started selling prints of that. And then I sold, 10 or 15 prints of that, made a couple $100s. And I had some money, so I decided to invest in some stickers, bought some stickers, added them to my store, and then my business just kind of naturally grew from there. I got better at posting things on TikTok. And now I keep this middle finger framed and it hangs above my desk, and it reminds me to always pursue my goals, to not care too much what other people think, especially the haters. We gotta ignore them and just keep pushing forward and sharing the things that I'm passionate about with the rest of the world. So I hope you enjoyed this story about how I kind of started on TikTok and started my business. It's really close to my heart. I love sharing it. I think it's a really cool story, and I hope you liked it too. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and leave a comment of what you want to see in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.